Hey guys, it's Eric here at Farpoint Farms. Check it out, what a difference a couple days can make. Had a huge load of gravel brought in here and used the Kubota BX to spread that all over the place. I think that came out real well. And of course, the big job, the really big job is also done, and that is concrete. So come on in and take a look at what a difference a few days can make. Let me hit the lights here. There we go. Back up a little bit so you get a full picture here. A 20 by 20 garage, barn, shed, whatever you want to call it. It's a steel building, but now it is a very usable steel building. Still needs a little bit more cure time here, but that is a lot of work and it is done. The only thing I moved in here so far is the old Craftsman toolbox, which is just shy of 30 years old now. This will be its last move for sure. That's gonna go over there, and a whole lot of stuff going over here. We're gonna kind of nail down the final design here. Right here is a wood burning stove. From that window over to this wall, over to right there, wrap around workbench. And then from there to there, we're gonna have wooden shelves for all the small equipment. Then this area over here will be opened by the door. And on the other side, not much else is going in. This is gonna stay open. And I'm gonna put a shorter, it's like a 12-inch, but 6 foot high metal shelving unit right there. And a little compressor from Vavor over in the corner there. And that is it. The last modification, which I need to save up for here, is a roll-up door for that. Whew. Hey, look at that. It's early July. It's the first week of July. And we're ahead of schedule. That never happens. Of course, I did start this at Christmas time. We were gonna try to do this over April. You know, like take a week off in April and do it, but it just didn't work out. I had other things come up, and in fact, while I've been doing this, we had some plumbing issues come up. We have a cistern here. We have a spring-fed cistern, and we had a blowout, and so the pump was running nonstop. I heard it while I was actually working on the concrete here, and was like, what is that? So that, an abrupt stop, and had to go take care of that so we could still shower in the morning. And that was thankfully something I could do, but I had to take a very, very cold swim in our cistern. It's about a 500-gallon tank. And that sucker, whew, that thing was 50 degrees. That water coming out of the mountain is ice cold, man, and there's not a drop of sunlight down there. So it was like swimming in the Arctic is what it felt like. I hope that all of you will join me on the new endeavor, Farpoint Mowers and More, because that's what we're going to use this space for here is just for small engine repairs. And of course, there'll be some other stuff we do down here. Got a garage door big enough to pull a car in, so if we need to do car work down here, we can, but that's the main purpose of this. And yeah, it's a new channel. I'll leave a link to it. I hope you guys will join me over there. 3 channels now. The automotive channel just shy of 10,000 subscribers. The mower channel just shy of 100 subscribers, and the main channel getting close to 100,000 subscribers. But due to the algorithm, the way that it's working, it's better for us to split the channel into 3 and have the topics that I love separated out, which is sad because I loved being a variety channel, but it's just not the way that YouTube's supposedly grand AI works. Till next time, my friends, take care.